Present value of annuity due. Annuity, a series of equal payments at regular intervals. Annuity due, annuity that is paid or received at the beginning of the time period. We have here a cash flow diagram. As you can see, at period of 0, meron na po agad tayong annuity or payment. Pagdating na sa umpisa o sa period 1, magbabayad ulit tayo ng annuity. And tuloy-tuloy na po siya until maabot natin yung isang period, which is the second to the last na period. And that will be our last payment or annuity. Why? At bakit hindi last period ng ating last payment? Kasi po, nagbayad agad tayo before natin mabayaran yung first period. Given our annuity due, PV yung kukuhain natin or present value. Why? Dahil present siya. Ito yung amount na babayad natin ngayon para sure tayo na makakakuha tayo ng series of payment throughout our periods. Like magda-down tayo ng malaking pera sa ngayon and then para makakuha tayo ng paunti-unti na pera at a certain time periods. And ang advantage ng PB annuity due is kapag pinagsama-sama natin yung annuity na marireceive is mas malaki siya compared sa present value na ibinigay natin kasi meron na tayong tubo doon o yung tinatawag nating interest. So here, present value PV sub AD equal to A, annuity, which is yung marireceive natin na pera. Then, multiply natin sa 1. Then, minus sa 1 plus I. Yung I na nasa loob, it can be computed by getting the interest of R. Then, divide lang natin sa M, which is, the M is the number payment period in a year. Kapag yung payment is annually, ang M ay 1. But pag semi-annual, ang M is 2 kasi 2 times a year. Pag quarter naman, 4 lang. And pag monthly, ang value na ng M is equal to 12. Then, naka-raise na siya to negative N. Then, i-compute natin siya by multiplying sa M, same sa number periods in a year, times dun sa time na meron sa years. So that, meron na tayong value ng I. Then, i-divide lang natin siya sa lahat ng I. And, then, yung i-multiply na natin siya sa 1 plus I.
Lynch works very hard because he wants to have enough money in his retirement account. When he reaches the age 60, he wants to withdraw with 36,000 every 3 months for 20 years, starting 3 months after he retires. How much most Lynch deposit at retirement at 12% per year, compounded quarterly for the annuity?
So we have our time, which is 20 years. And our R is 36,000. And our rate is 12%. In decimals, that is 0.12. And our K, our frequency of conversation, we have compounded quarterly. That's 4. And the unknown is how much mostly it's deposits at retirement. So we're looking for P, present value. And ito po yung gagamitin nating formula. So ngayon po alam na natin lahat ng nasa given, and the formula we need to use, we have this one, present value. We are now ready to substitute our given. So P equal 36,000. And 1 minus 1 plus R. R is 0.12 over K is 4, and raised to negative K is 4 times 20 years T over R is 0.12 over K is 4. So, kailangan po natin gumamit ng calculator para po makuha yung exact na sagot. Kung nakuha na po natin yung tamang sagot, so isusulat po natin is 1,087,227.48 pesos. Ayan po yung tamang sagot.
Erica would like to save 5,000 pesos every month in a fund that gives 8% compounded monthly. How much is the amount of the future value of her savings after 7 months? So, let us start by writing down our given values. We have 5,000 pesos, that will be our R. Next, we have 8% compounded monthly, that is our rate. So, 8% in decimal, that is 0.08. Our time is 7 months, that is 0.5. And then lastly, it will be compounded monthly, so our K is 12. Now, our unknown is the future value. Ito po yung gagamitin nating formula. So, we have F, R, we have 1 plus R over K raised to KT minus 1 all over R over K. F is equal to R is 5,000, open bracket, so we have 1 plus our R is 0.08 all over K is 12 raised to KT is 12 times T is 0.5 minus 1 all over our R is 0.08 all over K is 12. Now, after substituting all the given, just insert the value in your calculator. Now, after inserting the given in our calculator, nakuha po natin is 30,504.46 pesos.
So now we are going to talk about General Annuity Due. What is General Annuity Due? General Annuity Due are unities where payments are made at the beginning each of period but not compounding period is not to equal to the payment period. And here the formula for General Annuity Due. As you can see, FB and TB, here where PB means future value and PB means present value. If you have to find the FP, the formula is P times open and close parenthesis 1 plus I raised to the n minus 1 over I times open and close parenthesis 1 plus I.
Here's an example of getting the present value of General Annuity Due. A loan is borrowed and it is repaid by paying $200 per month for 3 years with an interest of 7% compounded semi-annually. How much is the loan? So we're looking for the loan or the present value, and the formula of it is P times 1 minus open and close parenthesis 1 plus I raised to negative n all over I times open and close parenthesis 1 plus I. First, we have to solve for the I and the n. Let's start at I, open and close parenthesis 1 plus R, which is the rate, and it's 7%. Convert to decimal 0.07 over K, which is the compounding period for the percentage, and it's 2 raised to C, which is the number of compounding period, and it's also 2 over P, which is the payment for year, 12 months per year, minus 1. And the answer here is I equals 0.0057500039. And then solve for the n, which is t times k, where t is the time and k is the frequency of interest payment. T here is 3 years, so it's 3 times 12, the frequency of interest payment, because it's monthly, so it's 12. So 3 times 12 equals 36. So let's solve for the present value. The p will be 200 times 1 minus opening close parenthesis 1 plus the I, which is the 0.0057500039, raised to negative n, which is then 36. So it will be negative 36 all over I, which is the 0.0057500039 times 1 plus 0.0057500039. And the answer is 6,524.19, and that is the loan.